Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video I will show you how you can enable flashlight blinking in your mobile phone. If you want, your flashlight will start blinking like you are, if you are enabling, you are switching on your torch, your light is continue glowing. But if you want this light to be blinker, then there is one setting in your mobile phone. You can enable that setting. From there, after that you can see your flashlight is blinking. So where is that setting? I will show you. First of all, I would like to show you here inside about device. You can see I'm using realme narzo 5 alpha mobile phone for making this video. So basically in this mobile phone you will get one option, safety and emergency. Just enable this emergency source option. From here you can see, just you have to enable, nothing you have to do again. And now come back, and what you have to do, you have to long press the power key like this. I am pressing this long press and you will get these functions. Now just you can see at the bottom emergency source, just click on this emergency source and cancel this countdown. And here you can see center one option, source flashlight. Just click on this source flashlight and you can see, you cannot see right now, but whenever you are doing this thing in your mobile phone, you can see your flashlight is continued start blinking with speedily. So oh friend, this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.